Gaza's health crisis deepens, thousands fighting for life as WHO urges Israel to open routes for medical evacuation.
The World Health Organization, WHO, has issued an urgent appeal for the immediate evacuation of 15,000 critically ill Palestinians from Gaza, warning that their lives hang in the balance. WHO Director General Dr. Tedros Adhanom stated that the healthcare system in Gaza has collapsed under the weight of relentless Israeli bombardment, leaving hospitals in ruins and medicines scarce. According to WHO, the patients in need include those suffering from cancer, heart disease, severe injuries, and chronic illnesses that cannot be treated inside Gaza. While 41 patients and 145 medical aides were recently evacuated, hundreds more remain stranded due to Israel's closure of the Rafah crossing, the only viable exit for medical transfers to Egypt and beyond. The organization has urged all countries to facilitate humanitarian corridors and open safe routes for patient evacuation, warning that delays could prove fatal. Since the start of Israel's assault in October 2023, over 65,000 Palestinians have been killed and 200,000 injured, half of them women and children, as Gaza's health system lies in ruins.